In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add or remove the media page on your home screen of the Samsung Galaxy A14. So first, open Settings and scroll down until you find Home Screen. Here, you should see the option Add Media Page to Home Screen, which is Google Discover. So tap on the toggle to enable it or to add it. And then when you go back to your home screen, you should notice that the Google Discover page is now available. If you would like to remove it, simply go back to Settings, then Home Screen, and then tap on the toggle again. Now, you'll notice that when you try swiping to the right, that the Discover page is no longer available. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.